Hello everyone, welcome back to Elite Estate Tours. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the most extraordinary residences ever offered in London, an ultra-exclusive 32,500 Chelsea townhouse located right in the heart of one of the city's most prestigious and historic billionaire neighborhoods. This isn't just a home. It's a legacy estate, a modern sanctuary, and a true masterpiece hidden behind classic London architecture. And from the moment you see the facade, you instantly understand why properties like this rarely ever come to market. Imagine stepping onto a quiet, tree-lined street where every townhouse carries a centuries-old story, where the architecture blends heritage with opulence, and where some of the world's most influential families, celebrities, and global business elites quietly own their London bases. Now picture one home on this street that's been meticulously rebuilt from the inside out, expanded, engineered, and refined to perfection. This is that home, and today you're getting an exclusive tour. As the tour begins, the first step through the tall, handcrafted front door sets the tone immediately. You're greeted by a soaring entrance hallway wrapped in smooth marble flooring, soft perimeter lighting, and a grand suspended staircase with sculpted glass balustrades. The moment the door closes behind you, the noise of the city disappears, replaced by complete silence created through advanced acoustic engineering. Every sound, every temperature shift, and every detail is controlled by a hidden home automation system designed exclusively for this property. The entry hallway leads into an incredible formal reception space, a room built for both elegance and comfort. The ceiling reaches nearly double height, emphasized by delicate shadow gaps and recessed lighting that creates a soft glow across the wall. The space is furnished with custom Italian lounge pieces, tailored perfectly to the room's geometry. One wall is dominated by towering steel, framed doors that open into a private courtyard, allowing natural light to pour into the center of the home. It feels like you are standing inside a London version of a Parisian mansion, classic on the outside, stunningly modern inside. Continuing deeper into the home, you move toward the heart of the residence, the main living and dining area. This entire level is open, plan, finished with wide, plank oak floors, marble accents, and a color palette curated by one of Europe's top interior design studios. The attention to detail is borderline obsessive. Hand-stitched leather handles, seamless cabinetry, invisible storage, and joinery so precise it almost disappears into the architecture. The living room unfolds along the length of the townhouse, anchored by a contemporary marble fireplace, above which sits a slim art installation that subtly shifts its lighting pattern depending on the time of day. Massive sliding glass panels retract silently into the walls, connecting the living space directly to the outdoor terrace. This creates the kind of indoor-outdoor lifestyle rarely found in central London. The dining area is positioned beneath a sculptural chandelier made from individually blown glass elements. It feels almost like floating crystals suspended in the air. This space can host an intimate dinner for 6, or expand to accommodate a long table for guests and family gatherings. While the architecture feels grand, the atmosphere remains incredibly warm, elegant, and residential. A few steps beyond the dining area is the kitchen, which is genuinely breathtaking. Designed for both professional chefs and everyday living, it features an oversized marble island, polished chrome fixtures, and fully integrated appliances from Gaggenau, Miele, and Sub-Zero. The cabinetry is crafted in a matte lacquer finish that contrasts beautifully with the marble veins running across the backsplash. There's also a hidden prep kitchen tucked behind a concealed door, perfect for private catering, formal events, or simply keeping the main kitchen pristine at all times. Even here, the lighting, textures, and materials are treated with an art gallery level of precision. From the kitchen, A glass door leads to a beautifully landscaped terrace overlooking the surrounding townhouses. This is where outdoor dining, morning coffee, or late night conversations feel elevated by both privacy and design. Chelsea's quiet charm becomes the backdrop of this private oasis. The subtle scent of fresh greenery, the warmth of outdoor lighting, and the tranquility of this secluded terrace makes it one of the home's most intimate spaces. Moving upstairs, the principal bedroom suite takes over the entire level. It feels like stepping into a world-class penthouse. The bedroom is large yet serene, wrapped in soft fabric paneling, with warm lighting built directly into the architectural lines. A wall of windows overlooks the neighborhood's elegant rooftops, while automated blackout blinds lower at the touch of a button. Every moment inside this bedroom feels curated for comfort and luxury. The principal bathroom is another highlight. Clad entirely in book-matched marble, it features dual vanities, a freestanding sculptural bathtub, and a rainfall shower enclosed in glass. There's radiant underfloor heating and a subtle ventilation system that keeps the mirror from fogging regardless of water temperature. This space is a blend of spa serenity and luxury hotel design. Next to the bathroom is a boutique-style dressing room with suede-lined drawers, custom illuminated shelves, and glass-fronted cabinets. It's a closet designed for someone who appreciates fashion, organization, and craftsmanship. Every section has been designed with purpose, from jewelry trays to handbag displays to hidden compartments. The upper floors include additional bedroom suites, each with its own personality, layout, and design identity. These rooms are perfect for family members, guests, or even live-in staff. Each suite includes custom wardrobes, marble bathrooms, and views over Chelsea's iconic skyline. The acoustics are perfect. The privacy is unmatched. Each room feels like its own sanctuary. Now we move down to one of the most impressive areas of the entire property, the luxury lower level. This level transforms the townhouse into a private 5-star resort. The first stop is the home cinema. This room is wrapped in plush acoustic fabric, equipped with a high-end projection system, and furnished with tiered seating for the ultimate movie night experience. Soundproofing is so advanced that you could watch an action film at full volume while someone sleeps upstairs without hearing a thing. Next to the cinema is the wellness area, which feels like entering a private spa. Soft LED lighting, natural stone finishes, and calming scents create a serene atmosphere. Here, you'll find a gym with state-of-the-art equipment, mirrored walls, and specialized flooring. Adjacent to it is a fully insulated steam room and a rainfall shower designed with premium fixtures. Whether it's a workout session, a spa day, or a moment to decompress, this level makes luxury wellness effortlessly accessible inside your own home. Continuing further, you reach the wine tasting room and temperature-controlled wine vault. Glass doors reveal a curated wine display built with precision lighting that casts a golden glow across the bottles. This space is perfect for evening tastings, intimate gatherings, or storing rare vintages. The lower level also features staff quarters, a full utility zone, and a private service entrance, allowing complete separation between staff operations and the main living areas. This is something typically only found in large estates or penthouses, but this townhouse masterfully incorporates it. Throughout the entire home, technology is fully integrated yet invisible. Lighting, temperature, security, entertainment, and window treatments can all be controlled from touch panels or a smartphone. The home is also equipped with advanced air purification, sound isolation, and a multi-zone climate system that adapts to your preferences in real time. As we return to the main level for the final walk through, it becomes clear that this 32,500 100,000 Chelsea Townhouse isn't just a residence, it's a lifestyle statement. It offers the charm of traditional London architecture on the outside, but behind the facade lies a world of modern innovation, luxurious amenities, and masterful craftsmanship. Every inch of this property reflects thoughtful design, comfort, and timeless elegance. From the grand reception rooms to the serene bedrooms, from the state of the art kitchen to the private wellness floor, this home embodies a standard of living normally reserved for only the world's most exclusive estates. It represents the perfect balance of heritage and innovation, creating one of the finest private residences in all of London. Thank you all for joining me on this extraordinary tour. If you enjoyed exploring this masterpiece and want to see more rare properties like this across the world, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for the next episode of Elite Estate Tours. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next tour.